guys, we're back with another freaking video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my purse collection. So okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and just count through each one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I have a Michael Kors purse just right here. This is 10. So y'all, I've been wanting to do this video for the longest. I told myself I'm gonna do this video when I get more purses, and as you see, I have more purses. So we're just gonna go through each of them and say where I got them from, let you know, see the detailing, because yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this video. We're gonna start with the smallest. So guys, this is one of my favorite purses. So as you see, it has like a jelly look. It has a pearl handle. It's really small. You see this cup, it's smaller than this cup, so that lets you know it's super small. It has a little lock that you can twist to open the purse. It's a flap. I have my mask in here, of course, and it comes with a, you know, gold chain. So it's like this. I don't know if I had a picture with this, but I'm going to insert a picture right here. I'm going to insert pictures of all of the purses on the side so you can see it in better lighting. So that's the first one. That's yellow, and of course I had to get it in another color. You can't just get one mini jelly bag. You gotta get two. You got to get two, you guys. So this is like an off-white one. Again, I said I'm gonna put pictures on the side so you can see it better. I think you can see it better right here. So yeah, this one is my favorite, and I'm gonna post a picture of me actually in this one so you can really see how small it is compared to me. So jelly, you know, I love purses since a baby. Let's go ahead and get into this one. And you guys is like, what's so, you know, what's so cute about this? It's the color, it's the fur, it's giving when winter comes. Find a fit for this. Look how cute this look. When you pack it, it's like a square shape at the bottom. So I haven't packed nothing up in here but a face mask, and you can really just see like the detailing, like in the photo that I'm gonna put up here, you can see like the detailing, and it has like this little owl. It looks like an owl, like something with a little pearl right here. The detailing was really cute. That's what caught my attention, and the color. Da, 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 da. And y'all probably seen these purses every freaking where. This is a purse your mama got, your daddy got, your auntie, your sisters, brothers, girlfriends. They got these. It's a jelly purse. Again, it's a plastic purse, and it's gold, and it's like a peach color, as you guys can see. Even though this video is like very fast, I feel like it's also very long at the same time. Okay, so all these purses, all the recent purses I just showed you, they're all from Lovely Wholesale. They have some really good affordable purses. I would definitely buy it again. I really thought that this was low-key bigger, but you know, it's okay because I still love it anyways. Quick little backstory. Okay, here's the purse, you guys. It's from Shein. Quick little backstory. Don't put too much in here because I put like 2 phones, lip gloss, wallet, and my the straps broke, but I managed to turn my straps into 2 straps. So this is what the straps look like now. So I turned the straps into 2. As you guys can like see, it's like 2 straps. So I just hold the purse like this now, and now it's like a little, yes. Yeah, it's like one of those now, because I said I'm not throwing this purse out in the trash. So today, I'm gonna show you guys this one. For one, I got this. Okay, these next 3 that I am gonna show you guys, including this one, is from Plato's Closet, where I did work at one point. So this is a classic purse. I just decided to get it because of the color scheme. I like how simple and classic it is. These are my favorite colors. Brown, I love brown, and black. So I was like, might as well get it. This is what the bottom is giving. And it has like this little and then it has like a little lock. You press the lock, it's like that. Inside is black. You know, very, very simple, you know. Get this, you know, I feel like this is just something you can have when you're not trying to be over the top with your purses. Something simple. Next, another one from Plato's Closet is this very, very cute purse that I love. It's very simple and it's cute, and like around it, it's like this gray tone, and it's black on both sides with a black strap. The only thing I would change is the black strap, because like, ugh, the black strap is very plain. I'm not gonna open this one because it's nothing interesting. It's cute, it's simple, it's giving what it should give. It's like, it's giving like 70s, 80s purses back in the day. Which brings me to this next purse. I love it to death. I wore this my whole high school year, dang near. I still have purses at my house that I didn't bring here. But the coolest thing about this was that it had like a little fur, little shoulder hole thing, and that's what I love most about it. I wear this one mainly like in the winter time because it has fur, you know. So gold chain goes all in my chain, goes all in my, goes all in my watch. Don't believe me, yeah. Bloody red. Bloody red. I don't even love red, but my favorite color is blue, which I might get this purse in blue. I love this purse so much, you guys. I'm never wearing it. I'm never wearing this one. I love it to death. Fashion Nova did they thing. Still got the tag on it. I still haven't worn it. Just kiss it. Whew, and it got the red strap with the gold. Y'all, as y'all see, I love little gold things. I love gold. Yeah, I love gold. So yes, this is the Fashion Nova one, you guys. Super cute, bloody red. Red everywhere, not even a little inch of black. This is my Michael Kors tag, the one that I wear almost every time I go out because I ain't got nothing else. And it just says Michael Kors. I have like stuff in here, so I can't really show you guys. But super cute. This is the bottom. It's very grown woman-ish. Hey guys, so that wraps up this video. I'm definitely gonna be adding to this collection before the semester ends for school, so definitely stay tuned to that. This isn't it on this collection at all. Tell me what colors I should get and where I should get my purses from. That's the end of this video, you guys. Next video, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys my updated room. I'm gonna show you, take you guys to the store with me so I can go pick out some items for my room. Click my TikTok link because I just posted a day in a life with me. I could put that on YouTube, but it's not in the YouTube landscape at all. So I don't know if I really even want to put that on YouTube. So if you want to go watch it, it's on TikTok, down in the description box down below. So we're out, goddess babes. Peace and be safe. And yeah, peace. So now we're at the kitchen and I'm gonna go to this.